this ships directly from the US, but if you are in Australia, you could get Tarte products from Sephora. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am home alone at the moment, so I thought of doing a quick unboxing of a small haul I got from Tarte. I've been a tartlet for over 2 years now. I fell victim to one of their build your own makeup kit sales that happens twice a year. But what happened was I missed both sales last year or this year rather, because it sold out. And like one time there was a glitch on their website because I think of overloading. So I was so upset. However, on Good Friday, they had a like 50% sale plus further 20% or something for tartlets. So I got my haul. And today we will unbox them together. Okay, so here goes. All right. So this is the box. It says, break down beauty boundaries, rethink natural, and always be kind. I really like how kindness is being flexed a lot in the recent years, because really kind is the new black. So here you go, wrapped in purple. It also has like a mascara print. This is very in at the moment. My mom would love this box, but this is gonna go to trash. Okay, so it's gonna unbox. Paper. Maybe I could save this for gift wrapping. I have a sample. So every time you buy, you get a free sample. I got 3 free samples. Hashtag matchmaker magic. Swatch away from your perfect match. So this is the Amazonian Clay Foundation. I've tried this and I like it. So for this sample, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swatches. If you don't know what your shade is, so at least you have 5 shades. This is around like the medium tan range for myself. Yeah. The last shade I had was a bit darker, like it's a shade darker than my skin tone. It still looks good, but maybe I'll swatch and see if there's a shade that would fit me better. I also have a sample of maracuja oil. Oils and serums are very big lately. Tarte is into like natural, vegan-friendly products as well. So they're very gentle on the skin. So I'm gonna try that and see, because I realized that, as I age, that skincare is just as important as makeup. Really, because the skin is the key to beauty. That's the good skin is the best base for good makeup. For 2021, I will resolve to take better care of my skin. Okay, the next one is a Tarte Skincare High Performance Natural. Next is, I get a birthday gift. Happy birthday, Tartlet! If you register for Tarte Rewards, you will be called a Tartlet. Every year you get a birthday gift, and so this is mine. So I got a blush and a small mascara. This is very good because this will fit into my purse perfectly. This is the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 waterproof mascara, which is what I use. I think I'm on my 3rd or 4th one of the 4-in-1 mascara now. So that's handy. Are my nails dirty? Sorry. That's how nice it is. And if it stains, it just disintegrates. You won't look like a raccoon. I'm wearing that at the moment. All right. Next one is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Quirky. I've tried this in the shade Captivating, but I felt that's too light. That's what I'm wearing at the moment for my skin tone. So let's see if it's darker. Like I would like darker. Doesn't have a mirror. Doesn't matter, but it would be good if, you know, like you would have one. Let's swatch it. Ah, that's better. That's more pink. It's darker than my Captivating one. Next is I have the Big Ego Frameworker Brow Pomade. One. Okay. I cannot use eyebrow pencils when I'm doing my brows. So what I usually do are like I use the brush and I have like powder or pomade. So this one, I haven't tried this before, but that's how it looks like. It's in the shade dark brown. So I'm gonna try this later. Maybe I'll, after the unboxing, I'm gonna get a brush and we'll try that. Next is, I have the Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush. So for someone like me who doesn't necessarily do full makeup, your makeup would still look like full or, you know, like complete if you have blush and glow. And so this palette is really good in that sense. It has 6 shades. You have Hi-Fi, Electric, Tempo, Solo, Beat, and Amp. This one can be a bronzer as well, or a contour, and then you have 3 shades of blush, and then like you have a highlighter here. And it also has a mirror on the side. I will include the prices in the description box below, both the RRP and the discounts that I got, because I think that would be interesting for you. I never buy full price. And so like for makeup like this that I know that I'm gonna use throughout the year anyway, I wait for sales and then do a haul. Next is on the brow game is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay Volumizing Brow Powder. So this one is the Big Ego pomade and this is the brow powder. Just because like I use brow powders a lot, like I go through them a lot. Even if I don't, on days that I don't wear foundation, I still like do my brows. So this is a good investment. I just dropped something. So this is in the shade Black Brown. It also has a mirror. And I like the Amazonian Clay range. I haven't tried this, but I've tried their blush and their foundation, and both are very good. So I'm excited with this one. Maybe later I'll get a brush. I'll try the pomade on one eye, and I'll try the brow powder on the other. Let's see which one is better. Next is, oh yes, the Amazonian Clay full 12-hour full coverage foundation. This is my second tube for the Amazonian Clay. I got my first one in one of the build your own kit boxes the year like 2019, I think December 2019, and I like that very much. So this one is in the shade 27N light medium neutral. Let's see, the swatches that I got was 27. This is 29B to 46S. So these are different shades, and this is like what I feel is nearest to my skin tone. So I'm gonna try all of those. I'm gonna try that for you. Oops. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. it's really dewy, and it just mixes in your skin like that. That's why I like it. So that's that. Next one, this is the last one, is it's the Dare to Leave eye set with a free brush as well. Because my eyes are already big and I use mascara every day when I'm rushing, which is almost every day when I go to work, I sometimes opt out using eyeshadow. But then I realized that, you know, like maybe it's time for me to like include that in my everyday thing. In the, you know, like just include it in the routine so that it doesn't necessarily have to feel like an extra step. So I got these very natural shades of brown and gold, and like the coral terracotta one, which is very in at the moment, so that I will have a variety. And you know, like these are neutral but in the same way also glam, so it could cross over from everyday wear to parties. So like it has, if you notice, it has one, two, like 4 matte shades and then 4 shimmery shades. So I'm gonna try the Paradise shade. Just over my entire eyelid. You know what? I'm no beauty guru, so let's do this the practical way. And then I'm gonna have probably Horizon, the shimmery one. Maybe I'll have the darker Live-In shade as well. Like it makes up your face right away as compared to the no makeup eye. I'm gonna blend that more. I'm gonna fix that later, but you know, that's better than that one. Alright. I'm gonna swatch this all for you so that you could see. Those are really like very neutral, very earthy colored shades, which can be used every day. So when investing on an eye palette, make sure that it is something that you could use every day very easily. Like these ones, they're very neutral, but they also have like blushier shades that could still be girly and, you know, like cheery. And then it could also cross over very fast for like night outs, for example, parties, you know, or cocktail events. One. So that they just don't sit in your makeup kit unused. Okay, let's do this. On my left eye will be the dark brown Frame Worker Brow Pomade, Big Ego Brow Pomade. And on my right eye is the 12-hour Amazonian Clay Volumizing Brow Powder in Black Brown. Okay, let's see. It is really highly pigmented, you guys. Really nice. Because I have hair on my brows. I mean, I have hair. I have eyebrows. But there are like bald patches, I think, because a long time ago I like nicked them with a razor. See? And then let's try the other eye with the brow powder. Again, I don't know how to do eyebrows on flick. I'm your average nanny. So that's my the eyebrow powder, and this the pomade. So the pomade I think is better, but I just need to. This is a fail unboxing, but you know, I think every other non-beauty blogger could relate to me. We try, we buy makeup, we put it in ourselves. It never looks like the big makeup stars in YouTube, but that's fine. We're real. Yeah, I think I like this better. Or maybe because I have eyeshadow on this eye and I don't have here. I'll also try the glow. So we're gonna try this as well. Next is highlight. I only wore BB cream and blush earlier, eyebrows, mascara, and lipstick. Yeah. So the lesson, guys, is if you're pretty, you're really pretty. It's not about the makeup. That's what I'm banking on here. Anyway, let's stick with unboxing. Enough with makeup tutorials. Pagwapa na lang.